but we needed to include people so that people would help us or understand the value of our heritage and the value of their surroundings. So we started our environmental education program in 2003, and later in 2006, we started a sea turtle conservation program. And later on, we did a project with sustainable tourism and community-based tourism. So we focus on promoting awareness about the natural resources, about strengthening those that are protecting it, but also we focus a lot in generating income for the local communities so that they don't have to rely so much on natural resources, and that they can protect their environment.